Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brutal Doom Black Edition. First, you will need the original Doom game files, known as EWAD. These are essential for the mod to function. Next, download the Brutal Doom Black Edition mod itself, typically a PK3 file. Finally, install a modern source port like GZDoom, which provides improved visuals and compatibility. Place your mod files into the source ports folder. This foundational setup takes only a few minutes. To begin playing, launch your installed source port, for example, GZDoom. Within the Ports menu, you will first load your Doom EWAD file. This provides the core game content. After that, add the Brutal Doom Black Edition PK3 file to your active mods list. It is crucial that the mod loads after the EWAD to prevent conflicts. With these two files correctly loaded, you are ready to dive into the action. Brutal Doom Black Edition significantly revamps combat. You will find new weapon mechanics, such as dual wielding and powerful alternate fire modes for nearly every firearm. Melee attacks are now incredibly visceral, allowing for brutal finishing moves on stunned foes. Enemies are far more aggressive and intelligent, requiring tactical approaches. Always explore every corner. Hidden secrets and valuable upgrades are plentiful, enhancing your survival chances. For an even deeper experience, experiment with the game's difficulty settings. There are several to choose from. Customize your gameplay further by adjusting various options within your source port, tailoring it to your preferences. The community also offers countless custom map packs, providing fresh challenges and hours of additional content. Remember, mastering movement and precise aiming is key to surviving the relentless hordes of demons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.